Hey guys, it's day 14? 14 of daily vlogs, and I'm just chilling here with Haley, my home diggle.
Peace, homie.
So yeah, her bra just broke.
My home diggle? You wanna see it?
Her bra just kind of like snaps right in the middle.
This is it. Yeah.
It's a really sturdy bra.
Someone wearing a pink one.
And our video today is going to be super mega foxy awesome hot. We're gonna walk around and do random crap that I don't even know of yet, and we're gonna put some really cute sound effects in it. So yeah, just keep watching for this sexy vid. Wink. Well, that was Phil. I winked with both my eyes. I was like, wink. Okay, bye.
Holy shark! I got a text message.
Oh my god. Guys, this is zucchini. I wish I had friends, but I don't.
It's going.
Yep.
My new picture just got 10 likes on Facebook.
Haley, this is really serious. I just started it. Don't cry, it's okay. We'll get through this together. It'll be like the Titanic until no one dies. Oh my god! Oh my god. It's okay. It's okay. No, it's not! I ruined my pants! Thanks for being a friend. Thanks. Yeah, thanks for doing nothing with us today. If you like this video, like it, comment in the crotch. Basics.